Welcome dear student in today's session of Engineering Chemistry Module 12, and the topic of today's discussion is how to calculate the percentage of sulfur present in a coal sample by using bomb calorimeter. There are some short examples are taken for your better understanding. So let us, after the first numerical related to calculation of percentage of sulfur from a coal sample. This is first numerical related to percentage of sulfur present in a coal sample. So numerical is a coal sample was subjected to ultimate analysis. 2.45 gram of coal on combustion in a bomb calorimeter gives 0.67 gram of barium sulfate. Calculate the percentage of sulfur in the coal sample. So this is the numerical. So in that the data are given for the calculation. Weight of coal sample taken 2.45. The next is weight of barium sulfate precipitate formed. Weight of barium sulfate formed 0.67 gram. And our formula for the percentage of sulfur. So percentage of sulfur is weight of barium sulfate formed into 32 into 100 upon weight of coal sample into 233, which is the molecular weight of barium sulfate. So weight of barium sulfate precipitate formed, it is 0.67 into 32 into 100 upon weight of coal sample taken, which is 2.45 into 233. And after calculation, the percentage of sulfur, that is our answer, it is obtained 3.756%. So that is the answer of given numerical. Percentage of sulfur present in a coal sample. Now second numerical. A coal sample was subjected to ultimate analysis. 1.4 gram of coal on combustion in a bomb calorimeter give 0.3 grams of barium sulfate. Calculate the percentage of sulfur in the coal sample. Again, the data are given. Weight of coal sample, it is 1.4 gram. Weight of barium sulfate formed 0.3 gram. Our formula for the calculation of percentage of sulfur, it is weight of barium sulfate formed into 32 into 100 upon weight of coal sample into 233. The weight of barium sulfate for its quantity 0.3, 32 into 100. Weight of coal sample is given, it is 1.4 into 233. And after that, the percentage of sulfur is obtained after calculation, which is 2.943%. So that is the percentage of sulfur present in a coal sample. In that way, by using that method, we can easily calculate the percentage of sulfur present in a coal sample.